Good morning. This is Teresa Keck with the National Weather Service office in North Platte, Nebraska. This is our winter storm wrap-up, just to give you an idea of what we had and what we're looking at. Already this morning as the sun is rising up above the horizon, this is our first visible shot of the snow cover. We still see some clouds up here across the north central, but overall you can see a widespread area of snow cover. Out on our western fringes, it's anywhere from about 2 inches up to 8 inches. Over by Oshkosh, northeast Oshkosh, we had a report of 8 inches. And the highest amounts down toward Frontier County there. That was pretty much expected and forecasted. This morning, that area of low pressure that brought the snow to our area continues to move slowly to the northeast. However, of interest, as we go into this weekend, as I push this out a little bit, you're going to see another system come in from the northwest. And current projections are we're going to get a little bit more snowfall as the system comes out Sunday night into Monday. Here's Sunday morning. Area of low pressure is it's projected to be over central Nebraska, and then deepen quite rapidly as it moves east of our area. Right now, the models are projecting anywhere from maybe 2 to an additional 4 inches of snow associated with this system. And that wouldn't be until Sunday night going into Monday. But we'll have to wait and see on that. So just as a wrap-up on the snow totals, I'll show you a map that has as a quick comparison to what we did end up getting as far as snow totals. Here was our storm total snowfall grid forecast, and here we show 2 inches in our far northwestern corner, ranging well up to around 10 inches as you go farther southeast. So while not everyone got over 6 inches east of the Panhandle, a good portion of our forecast area did materialize as far as getting significant snowfalls. Again, over toward Oshkosh, some people over there still got around 8 inches, so a little off, but pretty good forecast overall. Then looking at our latest storm total snowfall grid, here is our forecast. Areas east of a line from about Imperial to Tryon, east central Cherry County up through Springview. We're looking at 6 inches or higher. Higher amounts are into Custer, Frontier, and southeastern Lincoln County, possibly even a localized 9 to 10 inches up there near the Taylor area. And then overnight, the highlights. Okay, and a quick look as far as water equivalent. This is AHAP's precipitation totals, or what's projected from what we received so far. But on here, the lighter colors out here is anywhere from a 1/4 inch or less. The darker blues are a 1/2 inch. And the winters, as far as precipitation totals, is further to the southeast where they got much more snow, anywhere from a 1/2 up to 3/4 inch of rainfall. So it definitely helped replenish the ground, but that doesn't totally offset the drought deficit that we're sitting in right now. On the Nebraska Rainfall Assessment webpage, or Any Rain, on here there's a few reports to take notice of. The darker purples are closer to 10 inches here, so 10 inches of snow depth anywhere from Red Willow County, and a good portion of 9 inches have been reported across Frontier. But it gives you an additional resource there as finding how much snow fell across our region. Then one last map to share here. This is the snowfall analysis ending at 7 a.m. local time. Again, a good portion of our forecast area seeing anywhere from 6 to 8 inches of snowfall. The least amounts out here across the eastern Panhandle into western Cherry County, 1 to 2 inches. However, over in Oshkosh, we did get the report of over 8 inches out there, so this may be a little bit off. And then highest locations down there in Frontier County, close to 10 inches on the southern edge as you move into Red Willow County there. But just some insight as far as where the snow fell and just how much. So in summary, here are our highlights. We did get some snow. It lasted well over 24-hour time frame there, as that was a slow-moving system. Totals are anywhere from 2 inches to around 10, especially northwest to southeast gradient there. And I'll show you our initial storm total grid that we had, which correlates pretty well. And then impact snow-packed roads, several schools and business closures across our forecast area. The winds were not really that bad, but there was some blowing and drifting of the snowfall. And wind chills, as some clearing occurred last night and temperatures fell, wind chill values dropped at or below zero for a few hours there. So as an impact total, definitely we got some much needed moisture, but over a prolonged period of time frame as that slow moving system moved northeast. Well, this is our winter storm wrap up. We'll still be gathering up storm reports. So if you have an additional report you'd like to share with us, you can either give us a call here at the office, post it on our Facebook or Twitter pages. Again, this is Teresa Cack from the National Weather Service office in North Platte. Thank you for listening.